Welcome to our home in the north part of Haiti. This is in Cap Haitian, and this is a very big miracle right here behind us.
Yes.
It is.
This our vehicle, our orange pickup, and our house, and all this property were given to us by two other missions, two missionaries. And what a testimony that local missionaries have seen our lives and invested in us because they know the work that we're doing is bringing souls into the kingdom.
And now we have been in this house for almost 12 years.
Yeah, at least.
And also because all of the violence and turbulence in Port-au-Prince,
Prince.
we had never known we would need this place.
Right.
But we have been based out of here. And right now, God is using Haiti for Christ like never before. We are reaching more Haitians every single day than we ever have in the 50 years of the ministry of Haiti for Christ.
And the provision that God made for us through other missions is that we were able to walk away from our home of over 30 years in Port-au-Prince because of gang violence and move up here to the safe north part of Haiti and continue our ministry. Many, many missions have been forced to close and leave the country. Probably in the hundreds have left the country, but we're still here. 50 years for Joel, 48 years for me.
God gets the glory.
Amen.
And it's a demonstration of God's not only his provision, but enabling us to reach him. But now we have a little project that's important to you.
Very well. It's important to you too, honey. But we've also adjoining this property, just through the trees over there, we have been given another piece of property with an old mission house on it. And this house has a legacy of over 70 years belonging to a mission family, but the house needs work. It's been empty for many years, and it needs a new roof, it needs electric, it needs plumbing. I have all the estimates, and it looks like for $5,000 we can put on a new roof, we can run the electric, run the plumbing, just for $5,000. So, and then later on we'll do phase 2, retile it, paint it, clean it, take care of the yard and the erosion there. But right now we need to replace the roof. It's leaking.
This can be used tremendously for the gospel, for visitors, for missionaries. For many years, missionaries would come from the interior of Haiti and take weekends here to rest. We would love to be able to open the door to be able to reach out to more visitors in this house.
And mission groups. Once the state of emergency lifts on Port-au-Prince, which we expect it to do in the next year, then we will have mission groups coming back. It would be a great guest house. There's like 3 or 4 bedrooms, but we need $5,000. One-time gifts of $1,000 or more are wonderful. Several gifts of $500 would be great too. Whatever you give to this project will go into this project. And remember, we're tax exempt.
And it's kind of like a neglect to leave it like that.
Absolutely.
I think it's being diligent with what the gift the Lord has given us.
Absolutely.
So pray that what God would put on your heart to give. If you want to write the check for the whole 5, that's fine.
Wonderful.
God will bless you.
Yeah.
We're standing in a miracle. We're glad you're part of it. Thank you
Yes.
for your support. Thank you for your prayers.
Amen. Amen.